Hello everyone. Hi.
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 Welcome.
Hello.
Good evening.
Hi.
So, hi.
Hi.
So, as you all know, we are in a situation. तारीख पे तारीख ये लॉकडाउन खत्म होने का नाम ही नहीं ले रहा। ये तारीख हमने कोर्ट्स में सुनी थी, लेकिन अभी सिचुएशन घर पे भी आ गई है। घर पे भी हम कैलेंडर देखते हैं रोज, आज क्या तारीख हो गई, कब हम बाहर जा पाएंगे एंड ऑल दैट, राइट। तो घर पे बैठे हैं, क्या करें, टाइम पास करना है, कुछ तो एंटरटेनमेंट चाहिए। इसलिए मैं आप सब अपने दोस्तों के साथ ऑनलाइन की दुनिया में ये पहला प्रोग्राम प्रस्तुत कर रहा हूँ। और हमारा आज का थीम है पति पत्नी और लॉकडाउन। करेक्ट। हमारे भारत के और पूरी दुनिया के पति और पत्नी लॉकडाउन में फंसे हुए हैं, तो रोने धोने की जगह इसको एंजॉय करते हैं, मजा लेते हैं, देखते हैं क्या होता है। तो वेलकम ऑल व्यूअर्स एंड वेलकम ऑल पार्टिसिपेंट्स। हमारे पास 3 जोड़ियां हैं जो हमारे साथ इस शो में पार्टिसिपेट कर रही हैं। हमारे साथ है सुंदर कृष्णन और उनकी वाइफ लता। हाय।
Hi.
Hi.
हमारे साथ है चैतन्यवाद और उनकी वाइफ नीलिमा।
Hi.
और हमारे तीसरे साथी है संदीप सेठी और उनकी वाइफ अंजू।
Hello.
हाय, सो वंडरफुल, गुड टू हैव ऑल ऑफ यू। तो दोस्तों, हमारा आज का जो फॉर्मेट है बहुत ही सिंपल है। हम कौन बनेगा करोड़पति टाइप के 4 क्वेश्चंस पूछेंगे विद सम ऑप्शंस, और हमारे जो पार्टिसिपेंट्स हैं, हमारे जो गेस्ट्स हैं आज शो पे, वो अपने अपने जवाब देंगे। और इसी क्वेश्चन आंसर में शायद हम सबका थोड़ा टाइम पास हो जाए, थोड़ा एंटरटेनमेंट हो जाए, थोड़ा मनोरंजन, राइट।
And if may say, hot seat हर एक के घर पे अपनी अपनी
हाँ,
hot seat हर एक कोई अपनी अपनी hot seat पे बैठा है।
हर एक जना हॉट सीट पे बैठे, बिल्कुल सही, बिल्कुल सही। तो हॉट सीट की आज टेस्टिंग हो रही है। तो मेरा पहला क्वेश्चन, ओके। ये लॉकडाउन किसी ना किसी दिन तो बंद होगा ही, और ये समझ लो कि आपकी सोसाइटी जिसमें आप रह रहे हैं, वहां सब लेडीज ने मिलकर डिसाइड किया है कि जिस दिन लॉकडाउन खत्म होगा और वातावरण ओपन हो जाएगा, एक फूड पार्टी की जाएगी। सबको खाने पीने का बड़ा शौक है, रेस्टोरेंट जाना सबका बंद हो गया है, राइट। सब बेचैन है कि कहीं जाके बाहर का कुछ खाना खाएं। तो हमारी बहादुर लेडीज ने, एंटरप्राइजिंग लेडीज ने डिसाइड किया है कि वो एक फूड पार्टी रखेंगे, ठीक है। और फूड पार्टी में कैसा होता है, लोग अलग अलग खाना बना के लाएंगे, और हमारे इस ग्रुप की लेडीज को मिठाई बनाने का रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, ओके। तो आप लोग को मिठाई बनानी है, लेकिन तो 4 तरह की मिठाई के ऑप्शन दी गए, लड्डू, बर्फी, खीर और हलवा, ओके।
It is third and fourth.
अवेलेबल रॉ मटेरियल की शॉर्टेज है थोड़ा मार्केट में, तो आप जो नॉर्मल खीर बना सकते हैं वो नहीं बनेगी, नॉर्मल हलवा बना सकते हैं वो नहीं बनेगा। मैं आपको 4 चॉइसेस देता हूँ, आप लोग मिलकर डिसाइड कीजिए कि लेडीज क्या बनाएंगी, और लेडीज जो भी बनाएंगे वो हस्बैंड्स को खाना है। तो हस्बैंड इस डिस्कशन में, इस डिसीजन में भागीदार है, ओके। तो आपकी 4 चॉइसेस ऐसी है। कद्दू के लड्डू, ओके। सेकंड, टमाटर की खीर, टमाटर की खीर। तीसरा, बहुत हेल्दी, ब्रोकली की बर्फी। और चौथा, और भी हेल्दी, मशरूम का हलवा। ये 4 चॉइसेस है, कद्दू का लड्डू, टमाटर की खीर, ब्रोकली की बर्फी और मशरूम का हलवा। तो आप लेडीज क्या बनाना पसंद करेंगी अपनी अपनी सोसाइटी के लिए, और हस्बैंड को क्या खिलाना चाहेंगी?
ब्रोकोली की बर्फी।
ब्रोकली की बर्फी फ्रॉम लता, ओके, वंडरफुल, सुंदर, राई हो। हाँ नीलिमा।
कद्दू के लड्डू।
कद्दू के लड्डू। आई थिंक वो फिट बैठेगा चैतन्य में, उसका चेहरा देख के लग रहा है। एंड अंजू, व्हाट इज योर चॉइस?
ब्रोकली की ब्रोकली या
ब्रोकली की बर्फी, ओके। तो ब्रोकली की बर्फी 2 वोट्स,
she knows that I like laddu, so she's hoping कि कोई भी लड्डू बनाएंगे तो ये खा लेगा.
हाँ, पूरे तारीफ की हो जाएगी. अच्छा बनाया. ओह, वेरी
हमें तो
गुड.
दूसरी चीज है, हमें कुछ भी बने खाना है.
हमारे घर में
हाँ.
कद्दू का
लेकिन ये है कि सॉरी फिर से बोलो अंजू.
कद्दू का हलवा बनता है हमारे घर में.
हाँ, लेकिन अभी कल कद्दू का लड्डू है.
बट कद्दू का लड्डू है.
कद्दू का लड्डू है.
तो बोल कर देंगे.
गोल कर देंगे. हलवा बना के उसका गोल कर दो. लड्डू हो गया.
और मेरे घर पे भेज दो.
तो बाकी हस्बैंड से क्या व्हाट इज योर रिस्पॉन्स टू योर वाइफ? आप खाओगे दिल लगा के या फिर नाक बंद करके खाओगे?
देखो मेरा हिसाब तो बहुत साफ है. अभी लॉकडाउन पता नहीं कितने दिन और है और मेरे को रहना है. The whole purpose of staying inside the house during lockdown is to survive. And same way, when we are inside the house, if we have to survive, we have to eat everything.
Eat everything. Survival of the fittest.
करेक्ट. सो माय ओपिनियन इज एज सेड, ये फूड पार्टी इसके लिए अनाउंस हुई है कि लॉकडाउन खत्म हो गया है, उस खुशी में ये पार्टी अनाउंस हुई है. तो अभी तो ये लॉकडाउन खत्म हो गया, अभी तो मैं ऑफिस जाऊंगा, बाहर भी जाके खा सकता हूँ, तो ये लड्डू तो मैं खुशी खुशी से खा लूंगा.
ओके. चलो, गुड आंसर, गुड एक्सप्लेनेशन. आगे चलते हैं. ये क्वेश्चन हस्बैंड के लिए, ओके? और आपको अपनी वाइफ का ध्यान रख के आपको उसका आंसर देना है. अभी लॉकडाउन के बाद भी many people are going to continue working from home, right? That is what many companies are saying, many corporates are saying, and many employees are also comfortable घर पे काम करने में. तो आप घर पे काम करोगे तो आपका बहुत सारा ट्रैवल टाइम बचेगा, करेक्ट? तो आपका जो ट्रैवल टाइम बचेगा आप इसको कैसे यूज करेंगे? ओके, तो मैं आपको 4 ऑप्शन देता हूँ, फिर आप बताइए आपको कौन सा ऑप्शन विच यू लाइक. ओके, ऑप्शन नंबर 1, you will do lots of yoga. Okay, you make your body super flexible like Baba Ramdev. So Baba Ramdev is a target for doing yoga. Okay, option number 1 for husbands. Option number 2 for husbands, आप डांस प्रैक्टिस करेंगे. You're going to audition for नच बलिए और धड़क दिखला जा और India's Got Talent, ये जो भी आपका फेवरेट शो हो, तो डांस ऑडिशन प्रैक्टिस. तीसरा ऑप्शन है कि आप सोशल मीडिया में बहुत सारे फोटोज और वीडियोस डालेंगे घर की सफाई का काम करते हुए. आपने पूरा इस पीरियड जो भी मेहनत की है और जो आप करते रहेंगे शायद आगे जाके भी, वर्क फ्रॉम होम सिचुएशन. रिमेंबर, वर्क फ्रॉम होम. घर पे टाइम पास नहीं करना है, घर पे मेहनत करनी है और मेहनत का दिखाना है कि मेहनत करनी है और वो मेहनत सोशल मीडिया में पोस्ट करनी है. ओके, तो ये आपका तीसरा ऑप्शन. और चौथा ऑप्शन बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग ऑप्शन है. आपके अंदर एक कुंभकर्ण छुपा हुआ है. ओके, उसको बहुत नींद आती है और आपको एक्स्ट्रा टाइम बचेगा, आप वो सोने में निकालेंगे. तो आप कौन सा ऑप्शन प्रेफर करेंगे? योगा या सोना या सफाई या फिर और क्या था, डांसिंग?
So this is
तो क्या आपको पसंद है?
So in fact, since the beginning of this year, I have started waking up at 5 o'clock in the morning, and all through my life, I was never waking up so early. So even during this lockdown period, what I do is initially I exercise in the morning, do some meditation, and then take a power nap. Power nap of around 20 minutes or half an hour. Which of course,
कौन सा नैप लेते हो संदीप, जो पावर नैप सुबह चाहिए है?
बिल्कुल. तो 5 बजे उठने के बाद 7, 7:30 एक पावर नैप होती है, जो कभी कभी 1 घंटा भी एक्सटेंड हो जाती है. So I think that is so we are balancing between the first piece, which is exercise, and second and the last option of Kumbhkaran, extending the sleep.
Extending the sleep. Okay. दोनों सही आंसर. दोनों सही आंसर. Very good.
Yeah. So, but I have also joined with my daughter dance classes, and I would like to show you one of the videos that we shot for the dance class that we do. So what we do is after every dance class, whether it is So 1 hour dance, if we are practicing, we are able to shoot a video of some 30 second, 40 second. So that is the output which is there. तो हमने वीडियो भी शूट किया है. मैं अभी थोड़ी देर तक हो सकता है आपकी परमिशन दोबारा लेके एक बार सबको दिखाना चाहूंगा कि है कैसा, किस तरीके का किया है.
और बढ़िया 3 ऑप्शन तो 4 में से एक चीज चूज करने की बात है. मल्टीटास्किंग हो रही है.
अब देखो
चौथा भी नहीं लो ये ऑप्शन.
उसने पोल खोल दी, उससे तो बच नहीं सकते हाउस वर्क से.
ओके, तो 4 ऑप्शन आपके. बाकी लोग आप लोग भी चूज कर लो यार, सारे तो संदीप ने ले लिए.
Yeah, so I guess I also have been a morning person because I run marathons. So 4 days a week I get up in the morning 5 o'clock and I join a group at Shivaji Park. So that I continued. So I instead of 5 I get up at 6, do some yoga or some core exercises for 1 hour, 1.5 hours, and then the routine starts. Social media, it's not to do things put on social media, but Netflix प्राइम का यूसेज बढ़ गया है, जो थोड़ा कंसेशन मिल रहा है, तो आई एम यूजिंग दैट पार्ट टू बी ऑन दैट सोशल मीडिया.
Okay. How about you, Sundar?
So I do yoga and I've joined my yoga teacher again online.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm doing yoga last 10 years. So
I think Ramdev Baba is going to be very happy with all of you. आप सबको आशीर्वाद देने वाला है.
there was a break for 1 year. Now I rejoined my yoga class online because I shifted. I had a break. Now
Okay.
I'm gone back. Now my daughter is registering for Zumba classes. Maybe I'll join her also.
Which classes?
Zumba.
Zumba. Okay.
So,
Indians got talent.
So give me
Yes, Sandeep.
after Krishnan is through, right? Give me a few seconds. I would like to show that video also to everyone.
Okay, I think Krishnan is through. Why don't you go ahead?
Yeah, okay. Help her. Just a minute.
Yes.
Same Zumba dance. Music.
बढ़िया.
Yeah, a few seconds more.
जब भी ला सकते हैं. क्या हुआ?
Nice.
सही है संदीप. तो डांस मास्टर है, डांस मास्टर. गाइस, संदीप का एक बहुत पैशन है QFD, क्वालिटी फंक्शन डिप्लॉयमेंट. स्टार्टअप्स के लिए बहुत लेक्चर देते हैं QFD पे और आर्टिकल्स लिखते हैं बैंकिंग फ्रंटियर्स में. तो इधर तुम्हारे डांस में भी QFD दिख रहा है संदीप.
Long time, but he's getting the time now. He's learning now. Also his life he wanted to learn dance, but he's learning now.
चलो देर नहीं हुई है, देर मतलब टाइम तो हो रहा है, सब बढ़िया है।
Yeah, it's never too late.
अंदर का पंजाबी दिख रहा है।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
चलो आगे बढ़े फिर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे। तो
Yeah.
Yes.
अभी लेडीज के लिए क्वेश्चन, ठीक है। तो लेडीज को किटी पार्टी करने में बहुत मजा आता है फॉर सम रीजन। या तो हस्बैंड आप घर पे नहीं रहते, वो एक रीजन है, ये तो सोशल नेटवर्क बढ़ जाता है, वो रीजन है। तो लेकिन आज के दिनों में देयर इज नो किटी पार्टी पॉसिबल, सब होटल्स रेस्टोरेंट पार्टी सब बंद। तो आफ्टर द लॉकडाउन इज ओवर, लेडीज आप लोग किटी पार्टीज का किस तरह का प्लानिंग करना चाहते हैं? ओके, दैट्स माय क्वेश्चन। यू डू किटी पार्टीज ऑनलाइन, जैसे ये हमारा प्रोग्राम हो रहा है, दैट इज ऑप्शन 1। ऑप्शन 2, you will not do any kitty party until you reduce all the weight that you have gained during the lockdown. Okay, kitty parties are very sensitive to weight. Kitty parties are also very sensitive to clothes. नए कपड़े होना जरूरी है, और आप लोग की काफी से शॉपिंग नहीं हुई है for sure. So no new clothes, so no new kitty party. Okay, that is option 3. Option 4, आप किटी पार्टीज में डांस एंड योगा एंड एरोबिक्स ये सब इंट्रोड्यूस करेंगे। So that will be new style of kitty parties you will have. Active, physically active kitty parties. So ladies की क्या choice है इसमें new kitty parties में? सोचो।
I'll choose online.
Do it online. Okay.
Yeah.
Lata wants to do online kitty party, so you can have 100 people in that kitty party and no problem. Wonderful.
I want
No, Nilima.
more activity.
Nilima? हाँ, अंजू बोलो।
Option 4. That
Fourth option.
yeah, with more activity.
Okay, nice one, active, very active.
Yeah.
बढ़िया। डांस फ्लोर पे किटी पार्टी होगी। Nilima, what is your option?
Yeah, I will also choose the 4th option.
Okay.
That sounds more fun.
I knew
ये बात सही पकड़ी है।
no one is gonna choose कि they will join kitty party after reducing weight because that is a perpetual item list on ladies agenda. Whatever they have to further reduce. So because that would mean never having a kitty party because that wish is never fulfilled.
वो संदीप, उसका प्रॉब्लम ये है ना कि उसका वेट लॉस हो गया तो तुम्हारा भी हो जाएगा। तो वो फिर सोचो, और यू लुक वेइंग 45 किलोस। अगर दोनों का खाना बंद हो गया तो दोनों एकदम स्लिम एंड ट्रिम हो जाएंगे। आई लाइक द फैक्ट दैट एक्टिविटी की तरफ फोकस बढ़ता जा रहा है।
Lata is already a WhatsApp group.
किटी पार्टी। Okay, that was ahead of time. पहले से ही पता था कि लॉकडाउन होने वाला है क्या?
Now, actually, what we are doing is we are improving the preliminary skills. So somebody will post some myths and the other one will try to improvise that.
Okay.
So all types of, so you learn a lot of
Dishes.
new dishes.
New dishes. Good. अब dishes बोलता है तो मुझे एक ख्याल आता है। I have something for you, guys. Now, yeah, Bengal, right?
First choice.
Now the question is, you have to tell me. So all of you are supposed to be innovative people, right? Lockdown के time सबका innovation question बढ़ गया। अब मेरे को ये बताओ, what use will you do with this apart from eating? Apart from eating, suggest something that you can do with the Bengal. Outside the kitchen.
You can decorate it.
I found out of it. It has got a long tail. We call it Bataung in Multani. Bataung. So it's kind of a mouth. We put an eyes and then it has a long tail.
Uh-huh.
So it can be converted into a mouth.
Wow. Okay. ये पहला वेजिटेरियन माउस होगा. Good one. Good
Other
one.
option is to recall. Other option is to make a decoration out of that. So, you know, in marriage parties, the key salad decorations with watermelon and all that.
Okay.
So we'll make a decoration out of that and put it.
Decoration. Yeah, actually looks quite beautiful. It's a very beautiful looking fruit.
Make salad out of that. Salad decoration.
In nature, blue and purple colors are very rare, very rare. Apart from sky and water, you will hardly very few flowers, very few anything natural that is blue or purple in color. So it's a good option, decoration. Chaitanya, Nirima,
Yeah, I guess decoration is a viable and better option.
और कुछ है बताओ?
And she said just now, yeah, we will not need it, but we can use the seeds to plant
New plants.
new plants. Use the seeds of the
Seeds. Okay. ठीक है, yeah, that's good. हमारा तो पेट की तरफ ही ध्यान जाता है. Most of us only from the stomach perspective. Food means cow. Okay, good answer. So one of you is going to get this prize. Whose is the most? I think Anju's is the most innovative answer. This is yours. And I will see you personally when we meet. 1 second. Chalo, then let's go on with the quiz. So when this lockdown ends, what everyone is saying that a lot of people will want to go on a vacation. Okay? क्योंकि घर में बैठे बैठे एकदम जम गए. Need change. Go out of the city. Go out of the country. But you know the government is very careful. They're still very cautious, and they don't want you to go widely anywhere and do anything. So initial phases, government has made 4 types of adventure, 4 types of vacation packages. Government has opened up. So I'll tell you those 4 packages, and you tell me which one you as a couple will choose. So first is खतरों के खिलाड़ी package. Second is adventure के खिलाड़ी. In adventure के खिलाड़ी, they will take you trekking in the mountains, whitewater rafting, scuba diving, snorkeling, all those kind of fun things. That is package number 2. Package number 3 is खाने पीने के खिलाड़ी. They will take you to exotic restaurants and exotic places. तो ऐसा खाना मिलेगा जो आपने कभी नहीं खाया. Okay? And fourth package is जो really desperate है, honeymoon के खिलाड़ी. They will take you to a lonely island, lock you up in a हम तुम कमरे में 2 type, and for 10 days they will not let you outside country. You lock down, remote travel at home. Okay, so 4 options. आप लोग कौन सा option करना चाहेंगे? Which option do you like? And this is the question.
So we go for adventure trekking option. We both like trekking, and we have been to places around Mumbai, Lonavala for trekking. I've been to Himalayas as well, but both of us and my son, so we go around Lonavala, Pune. So trekking adventure option.
Okay, but why not already done adventure? Why not take something else?
No, so after so long of a lockdown and we are not been out somewhere, and if you have a trekking option, and it's like it has a khatron ke option as well built in. When you go on trekking, only food in villages, so it has got third option also built in.
Okay,
So
good option will make yourself. Okay, good one. Now, Sandeep Anju.
Yeah. So we also like to go to hill stations and go for long drives. So adventure is what we like the most. But I'm saying since the corona virus is supposed to be continuing for next 2 years at least, right? Everything is khatron ka khiladi. Whichever you do, you are eventually taking risk. You are eventually taking risk. अब जहाँ तक and the fourth option जो आप honeymoon का कह रहे हो, lockdown with the wife after 25 years of marriage, lockdown is again खतरों का खिलाड़ी.
सारे ऑप्शन में खतरा ही खतरा है.
खतरा है सभी ऑप्शंस में.
Third option is safe because at least cooked food is not so, you know, something that is cooked may not be so dangerous.
Okay.
I didn't say the third option. That is why I didn't name cooked food.
Okay.
But we are not foodie actually. So we prefer home food normally. And we don't. I have my friends who venture out, go to the town side, or they would travel 50 kilometers to visit a particular hotel, dhaba. But we normally, even if we go out, we try to go to the nearby hotels, etc. But not foodie. That is why I didn't name the third option at all.
Anyone else is a foodie? Sundar or Chandan? Sundar is a foodie.
We are not, I mean, not desperate, or we are not like you said, we will not also travel. But if we go to a place, then we look for local cuisines and local,
Yeah.
try out all types of local food.
So what's your favorite place while things are open?
Kerala.
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 Kerala thali? What?
Yes. Chettinad.
Chettinad food. Okay. Yeah, that's nice and spicy.
Food. Yes, food. Munnar Tikdi.
Can you repeat that?
Munnar. Tikdi Munnar.
Is the food really good there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I've been to Munnar.
I have been to.
From the hills perspective, not the food perspective.
Yeah. So we also visited Tekdi, Mannar. Both are beautiful places.
It is a lake, right?
Yes, wildlife sanctuary and lake.
I'm like, as Sandeep said, I'm reverse. I would like to travel for food as well. So if I remember years back, we had been planned and we went to a place near Survey, Karnala sanctuary there, one sanctuary. Near that there was a famous restaurant for seafood called Chandul Vishrandi. Now it is closed. So one Sunday we go from here, from Bangalore to that place for food.
So scientists all around the world are working on a vaccine to cure this coronavirus. Okay. And 4 teams have been successful in creating a vaccine for this virus. And the government has made it mandatory first for the husbands to be vaccinated. And if the vaccine is successful, then it will apply to the wives. So, तो हर चीज में लेडीज फर्स्ट होता है, लेकिन वैक्सीनेशन में जेंट्स फर्स्ट.
Gents first.
Guinea pig.
This is a chance for gents to shine.
Guinea pig.
Guinea pig, yes.
I am saying guinea pig.
No, logical. They are the ones who are going out. So.
Correct. You are the खतरों के खिलाड़ी types. Anyway, so there are 4 kinds of vaccines which have come in the market, and none of the vaccines is perfect. Okay, हर एक वैक्सीन का कुछ ना कुछ साइड इफेक्ट है. Now based on that, you ladies have to choose which vaccine you want to administer to your husband. So first vaccine was created by German scientists. Okay. And that vaccine has a side effect. And once you administer that to a person, that person becomes as handsome as Albert Einstein. Vaccine number 1, side effect as handsome as Albert Einstein.
Pun intended.
Vaccine number 2, that is invented by Indian scientists. Okay. And vaccine number 2 will make your husband as flexible as Devanand. Third option, as gentle as Khali. You see Khali, the great Khali, very gentle man. This third option will make your husband as gentle as Khali. And your fourth option is to make him as handsome and charming as James Bond. James Bond type. Handsome and charming. So third options, ladies please choose. आपको किस टाइप का हस्बैंड चाहिए अगर चेंज करना हो तो? Leonard type, Ali type, James Bond type या Albert Einstein type? Husband, you don't have a choice, huh? Ladies choice.
Just keep putting Mohan.
Devanand.
Lata.
Yeah, I will choose Devanand.
Devanand, okay, okay. उसका साइड इफेक्ट है कि सुंदर will start singing. Romantic song. So that's a good choice actually. Good one.
Yeah.
Nilima.
Yeah, I'll go for the first option.
First option. Albert
I know I
Einstein.
was better.
Okay. Okay.
कली को तो बहुत ज्यादा खाना लेना पड़ेगा ना. This is still okay.
Safe choice. हाँ, वो भी सही है. Safe choice है. Albert Einstein वैसे भी चीफ टेक्नोलॉजी ऑफिसर है. और कोई टेक्नोलॉजी बना देगा. हाँ, वो डेटा सेंटर को अपने लैपटॉप में फिट कर लेगा.
बस
अंजू.
James Bond. Oh, he would like he would like to
James Bond.
जेम्स बॉन्ड चाहिए था. जेम्स बॉन्ड मिल गया.
he's already very poetic, so I need James Bond now.
no, he's already a James Bond. He's already a James Bond. I'll introduce to all his other friends which are there, female friends. I'll introduce you to them later.
जब पति पत्नी वो शो करेंगे ना तब वो आएंगे सब.
मनोज कितना टाइम रहता है जल्दी बताओ.
अरे जाना लाइन लगे.
जितना टाइम ज्यादा लगेगा उतना रिस्क बढ़ता जा रहा है.
Sundar, are you ready for your new role? Singing and dancing like Devanand and romancing.
So we have this we part of karaoke group. I like Devanand songs.
Okay.
Well. लता की चॉइस सही है.
So, both of us sing actually.
हाँ
वही लेडीज के लिए भी वैक्सीन बनाएंगे उस टाइप की. Which kind of heroine or actress or dancer or whatever they want. So a lot of research is happening during the lockdown on what keeps husband and wife together and what separates them. Okay, very important subject because work from home may, that is going to be a crucial issue. So based on the quick study that scientists have been able to do, what they figured out is that if the husband gives his wife a hug every day, तो divorce नहीं होता. Okay, hugging नहीं किया तो risk बढ़ जाता है. Okay, now when lockdown is ended and husband starts going to office, and then he'll come from office, right? Sundar and Chaitanya and Sandeep, और ये husband घर तो आ गई शाम को, तो घर आके अपनी wife को किस टाइप का hug दोगे? Okay, so there are 4 choices. उसमें से choose करके बताओ. First choice is simple, gentle hug, एकदम normal, casual, regular hug. Second choice, एकदम tight hug, जब तक कि सांस ना निकल जाए. Okay. हस्बैंड की चॉइस है, क्योंकि उसको अपनी वाइफ के साथ रिलेशनशिप बनाए रखना है. तो जेंटल हग, टाइट हग. फर्स्ट चॉइस, योर हस्बैंड इज स्टिल प्लेइंग, यू हस्बैंड आर स्टिल प्लेइंग वेरी सेफ. आप घर आओगे, पहले अपने हाथ सैनिटाइज करोगे अच्छे से 20 seconds तक, देन यू विल गिव योर वाइफ अ हग. ओके, चॉइस नंबर 3. Choice number 4, you want to be extremely safe. You go into the house, you go straight to the bathroom, you'll have a full-fledged bath with hot water and soap and shampoo and conditioner and everything. Then you will come out and give your wife a hug. Okay? ये आप लोग हस्बैंड चूज कीजिए विच टाइप ऑफ हग यू वांट टू गिव सो दैट आपकी जोड़ी सही सलामत रहे.
You're waiting for choice, I'm not fourth.
Yeah, I think there's no, I mean, no choice. It is answer 4.
Voice is not very clear. Sundar, can you repeat?
Fourth choice, I'll take bath and then give an hug.
Full bath and then hug. ठीक है. Okay. Chaitanya,
Yeah, 4th.
you also fourth. Okay.
I would go with one.
Choice number one. Okay.
Let me say why. Let me explain.
Yes, yes.
I will carry sanitizer with me, and before entrance, you just need to sanitize your hands, and is easy to maintain without any. So you won't set unnecessary expectations. Something which you can deliver every day. Simple. The beauty lies in simplicity. So something which I can deliver every day. I'm part of quality, all through. So consistency is the main thing in quality. Something I can be consistent. I know I'll not be able to take bath and shower every day in the evening. We'll go by one.
ये तो वो मोबाइल ऐप डेवलपर्स वाला है एकदम सिंपल CX कस्टमर एक्सपीरियंस.
Cool.
Okay.
No, so,
What
so
is your explanation?
My explanation is we are not safe outside. So पता नहीं कपड़े में क्या क्या गिरेंगे कोरोना वायरस. I don't know.
Okay.
correct.
Every day it's safe.
Correct.
Yes, Chaitanya.
Because the question was immediately after lockdown when you go to office and come back. So that's why option 4. If it is like after 1 or 2 years after Corona, then yes, then the option 1.
Both of you, Sundar and Chaitanya, suppose the environment was completely virus free. But let me rephrase it. 6 months after the lockdown, when you come back and there is no tension, vaccine भी बन गया है, दवाई भी बन गई है, everywhere is clean, all restaurants are open, all buses, trains, planes are running. Then which hugging option will you choose?
I hug.
Second, tight. Good tight.
If I
Chaitanya, any change of choice?
if I
Yeah.
if I give a tight hug, she will question what happened to you.
दाल में कुछ खाना है.
Yeah, that is possible.
Possible. देखो आप लोग की सब पोल खुलती जा रही है ऑलरेडी. अभी शो के बाद मेरे को मत ब्लेम करना कि अगर कुछ झगड़ा हो गया तो. ओके. चलो आगे बढ़े. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज फॉर वाइफ्स. ओके. Your husband is giving you a hug after he's come back from office. Now the question is, while you are getting a hug from your husband, you have 4 options. What can you do while you're getting the hug? ठीक है ना? Option number 1, you will check his heartbeat. ये सब सही है ना? Heartbeat high है कि low है कि normal है? From that you will come to know how his day in office was. Office में कैसा था दिन? Okay? Option number 2, you will check his pockets, make sure wallet, phone सब आ गया वापस. घर में ये गाड़ी में नहीं रह गया. Okay. Option 3, you will give him a quick massage so कि body में energy आ जाए so that he can go into the kitchen quickly and prepare dinner. Okay. And option number 4, you will hug him until you can tell him all the most important gossip you have heard in the day. Make sure your husband gets all the juicy gossip from your society and your neighborhood before so that he doesn't leave you as well as holding you. So 4 options: check his heartbeat, check his pockets, quick massage to give him the energy to go and cook the dinner, and tell him all the gossip. Who wants to give which choice? This is a lady's choice.
I'll check his heartbeat.
Anju, yes.
I'll check his heartbeat.
Check his heartbeat.
Heartbeat, yeah.
Heartbeat. Okay, good.
Yeah.
संदीप तुम्हारे अच्छे है, तुम्हारा रोज मेडिकल हो जाएगा. free में.
So I tell her that in our family she is the so far she is the nearest doctor. So she
Okay.
is M Pharma anyway. So understand medicine much better than rest of us. Now my daughter is doing MBBS, so she would be coming out as a doctor. But next to her is my wife only.
Fantastic.
Second or practice.
बढ़िया choice अंजू, बढ़िया choice. Who's next between Lata and Nilima?
I'll also go for the heartbeat.
Heartbeat specialist. Medical degree है आपके पास?
नहीं है.
ठीक है.
Medical person. IT person, not a medical.
IT पर. हाँ तो आजकल IT का यूज होता है ना, सब मेडिसिन में RT पे ही चलता है. All medicine runs on IT only.
Telematics.
Lata, if you can come a little closer, your face, both of you can come a little closer. Nilima, what is your background and what is your choice?
I'll go for the massage, I think. I need help in the kitchen.
Okay. सही है, क्योंकि खाली पेट पे तो कैसे चलेगा ना काम. चलो, very good, that's good. So all of you are confident that your husbands are going to come back with their wallets and phones and everything. So I think that's not a point of tension as of now.
Even if they don't come back, or like you said, if the mobile is in the car, which happens sometimes, so you can always go back and pick it up.
Correct. Achha, I'm doing this question that anyone wants to share anything funny during the lockdown with each other, with people who are watching. Any funny incident? है कुछ? ये
लॉकडाउन का और आई वांट टू से कि रोटी बनाना तो सीख लिया, पर वो गोल अभी तक नहीं बनती है, इसी वजह से अभी तक फंसे हुए हैं.
अभी वो एक्सपीरियंस भी कोई चीज होती है ना. एक महीने में तुम गोल गोल रोटी बना लोगे तो कैसे चलेगा?
तो मोदी जी तभी एक्सटेंड किए जा रहे हैं कि जब तक गोल बनेगी नहीं खुलेगा नहीं.
कॉम्पास यूज करो जो स्कूल में यूज किया, डिवाइडर एंड कॉम्पास और क्या क्या था.
And the other joke that is running is everybody has joined BJP, that is Bartan, Jhadu and Pocha.
So BJP membership has gone up.
Yes.
For all other politicians. Correct. Maybe, yeah. Anything from Chaitanya, Nilima, from your side? Any funny incident? Okay, ठीक है, चलो. Not an issue. Good. So let's continue then. My next question is. My next question is. The husbands have done a fantastic job in office. Okay, boss is very happy with them, and boss has given a bonus of 1 lakh. No, not 1 lakh, 5 lakh rupees. 5 lakh rupees bonus your husband is getting. All the good work is done last year. And to show how much he loves you, he is giving you wives the money, okay, to spend in whichever way you like. 5 lakhs for all, for you to spend whichever way you like, okay. So there are 4 choices now for you to look at and tell me. First choice, we'll buy the diamond set you've always been looking out for the whole year. Diamond American set. Okay. I think I'll not pay 5 lakh. I don't know. Second choice, you ladies, you will beautify the house with new paint, new colors, new curtains, new furnishings, whatever you wanted to change to make the house as you like it, beautiful. New lights maybe. Third option, there is an exclusive club which has opened in your neighborhood, which is open only to the top actresses and heroines. Kangana Ranaut, Aishwarya Rai, Kareena Kapoor types. And you can take a membership of that club just because your husband has done such a fantastic job that exclusive heroines club is willing to take you as a member. So that is the third place. Fourth choice, There's one more exclusive club which has opened up, which has only all the top heroes, Akshay Kumar and John Abraham and Salman Khan and all that. And they have an opening for very few ladies, and you can be one of those ladies. Okay. So how do you want to use those 5 lakh rupees? Join the Heroes Club, join the Heroines Club, refurbish your house, or buy that diamond set. 5 lakh का क्या करोगे? Minimum. Yes.
I will change the house interior. Bored of this house now. Something new will be really interesting. And I have lots of plans. So all the throughout the day in all these days, I'm just thinking which things I need to change and where all. So I'll utilize the money and the time.
So it's not 5 lakhs. I got 10 lakhs as a bonus. So 5 lakhs I give it to her. She'll decorate the house. Remaining 5 lakhs I'll join the third club. Where all the heroines and actresses are there.
दोनों का भला हो, भगवान दोनों का भला हो। मतलब ये लोग really well, 10 lakhs का bonus मिल रहा है। और लता, who wants to come next?
Yeah, so okay. So
Yeah.
I think I will go for the first option.
First option.
Yeah.
Diamond set.
Okay. 5 lakhs का diamond set.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because I mean, house anyway. So we have just recently shifted, so we don't need to do anything at least for some time. Yeah.
Okay. चलो बढ़िया. I think you'll start getting now coupons and ads from jewelry companies. Just 5 lakhs.
Chalo, so first agenda after the lockdown is go to meet Sundar to see his new house.
Yes. Good one. And so now, Anju, what is your choice?
I think I'll join club of the 4th option. I'll join the exclusive club for the yeah.
Huh?
So I'll earn more than 10 lakhs and give it to him. It will be his bonus.
बढ़िया बढ़िया पूरा वसूल करोगे पूरा वसूल. Fantastic. So, gentlemen, what do you think of your wife's choice? Any comments? Would you agree with that choice, or would you recommend something different to her?
देखो डिसएग्री करने का तो क्वेश्चन ही नहीं है.
Okay.
If I get the chance,
एंड
आपकी वाइफ ने आपको जेम्सन बना दिया, आपको उसको कहीं जाने दो.
हाँ, और आपने कहा कि whatever said you were given a certain amount, it is never 100% is given to the lady of the house. उसके बाद हम पॉकेट मनी लेते हैं.
हाँ. अब तो TDS शुरू करो ना, टैक्स some income deducted at source.
I will try a gold bond option. Give us a gold bond substitute offer. This is the best time to invest in gold.
अच्छा, gold bond. Okay.
But I don't know what she will.
चांसेस कम ही लग रहा है. So anyway, you have your 5 lakh separate. But you want to suggest your wife some other choice? Are you okay with the house, or you want to leave?
No, what she said is correct because she has been thinking about ये नया करना है, ये करना है. So that's on her mind. So I'll not try to deviate or change her option.
Okay. Chalo. So yeah, I think all of you are okay with these options that your wife has chosen overall. Sundar wants to be a little more conservative. और उसका नाम ही सुंदर है, तो फिर उसको क्या जरूरत है ज्वेलरी की. चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. So banking circles have actually been doing a survey on wardrobe choices of people because of work from home, and we got quite a few responses. I think I've got around 50 responses so far. Most of them are saying they want, they'll have more casual clothes. Some will even go for t-shirts and all, or office meetings also, online office meetings. But one very interesting observation was, and this one first came to me from a woman, that we'll be using less makeup. Okay, our expenditure on makeup and all that will come down compared to going to an office scenario. And then some of the men also commented that they saw that women colleagues from the office who were coming, they were not using so much makeup. So one thing appears to be the case that makeup consumption, sales of makeup and usage of makeup is going to come down. Okay, so my question is now related to the money that the household will save and all this makeup material. Okay. So again, four choices. First choice is ladies ने good looking का जो pressure that used to be on ladies, that is reducing. So now that pressure is coming on to men. Okay. So now you men will have to do something. And one of your options is you have to look good, right? Someone in the house, in the household has to look good. So you'll get yourself an Armani suit that you've always wanted. I think it will cost lakh or 2 lakh rupees or whatever. But men can invest in an Armani suit to look, beautiful and handsome. Second option, so you want to distract people from your looking at your wife's face without the makeup. You'll buy her a beautiful diamond necklace. Okay, तो लोग necklace को ही देखेंगे, शक्ल को नहीं देखेंगे. That's option number 2. You can spend that money on. Option number 3, you'll put the money in a fixed deposit where your money will be safe. And you will post only the older photos and older videos in social media. Full makeup quality photos and videos. So people will not notice the difference. Okay? And option number 4, there's a new iPhone which is coming. It makes all the women look beautiful with or without makeup. Doesn't matter, makeup helps anyway. You will buy that phone and gift it to your wife for taking selfies. Right? So 4 options. Diamond necklace, phone, fixed deposit, and पहला वाला क्या था? Armani suit. Gentlemen, which is your choice?
So being in financial services industry, I'll not recommend fixed deposits. Correct. So I'll go for option 4, but I'll get an iPhone.
Okay.
I'll keep it or I'll give it to her, but her beautiful photos will come.
Okay. Very good. So that is also spoken like a true technology man. Oh, your technology is there in your DNA, Wonderful. Good choice. Thank you.
Same choice. I think iPhone sounds the best.
Okay.
These choices.
Okay, बढ़िया. So 2 people are going for iPhone. Sundar, you have a different opinion?
Yeah, but we already have 2 iPhones now. Latest.
No, this is a new iPhone. Oh, it will make everyone glamorous.
No, I'll go to that iPhone option.
No.
Like iPhone.
iPhone is a common option for all. Okay.
Last week a new iPhone model is launched, iPhone SE 2020.
So we have, Manoj, I can see chat notes from Babu Nair.
Yeah.
And wonderful note is that he has added that it will give beautiful photos and also keep the wife busy.
And he has also questioned you, Manoj, why your wife is not here.
My wife is not here because मेरे को काम करना है. I'm on duty now. But we'll go on a show where my wife will also be there. Frankly, this is a trial. This is the first time, and I didn't even know how it would go. But I've been happy so far with the kind of fun we have all been having. So let's see. I think we should continue this.
Every amazing time we had during this last 1 hour. Wonderful interacting with Sundar, Chaitanya, and of course Manoj. Good to know you all. It's been after a long time that we have been chatting up with friends like this. So I think this is a good idea to continue like this.
Yes, we should do that, definitely.
Yeah. So I think when you called, it was a very different idea because the last 3 weeks I've attended lots of webinars. I've been on 2 panel discussions. So, but it was only professional work and solo. So this is a very nice concept that's with family and very casual interaction on fun topics. So very well done. Yeah, enjoyed it.
Good, good. Yes, thank you.
So Sunday, good Sunday off from the regular routine of VCs and phones and Zooms and other blue jeans and all that. So this is a different option.
Something different.
Yeah, I think it would have not been so wonderful had you not carefully scripted it in terms of the questions that you asked, right? The discussions it went up.
No, it was actually quite a lot of work. I'm a big fan of Kapil Sharma show. Kapil Sharma actually, and I see it very regularly, and I was inspired by it. Then I used to always wonder कि यार मेरी life में ऐसा कुछ हो सकता है क्या? And of course Kapil Sharma is like the most talented comedian in the country. But this was actually, I appreciate that you appreciate the work I've done. It took me 4-5 days of on and off thinking and working. So it's not so easy. It is hard work. And now I can actually appreciate all the hard work that Kapil Sharma and other comedians and their team members do to make whatever comedy shows they're making. So I can appreciate that now. So there's been good. I want to hear from the ladies also. What is their, how much fun they had.
Yeah, so this was like quite different from the routine as anyway. It's not the normal routine, right? Like now we have it during the lockdown. So obviously this was like something very different and it was quite entertaining. So,
Good.
and we had interacting with all of you.
Can you repeat the last part?
We had fun interacting with all of you all as well.
Yes, yes. All of you are very sporting. All of you are very sporting in this discussion. Wonderful. Nilima, you want to say something?
Yeah, I got a chance to get ready after a long time. The sarees are in the wardrobe forever, for ceremonies, functions. So I got ready after a long time. And of course, the questions were very different. They're not like we were worried what questions will be there. You're not prepared and all this. But the questions were good in a way that there are some sublime sentences that I made, and I know Chaitanya is listening to them.
Subtle messages going back and forth.
Yeah, that are more important.
Anju, any thoughts?
Yeah, I got some great ideas from you. I think I'll dress him up as a James Bond after this show. So I get some ideas. I'm getting some ideas. We'll go from that.
Chalo, good, बढ़िया.
By the way, we have never watched any James Bond movie.
तुमने नहीं दिखाया होगा जानबूझ के.
There are quite a few Bond movies. Enjoy karo. You'll have fun. Yeah. And Anju will get even more ideas after watching those movies.
Yes, definitely.
Right? So wonderful. Thank you all very much.
Thank you.
Make the most
Thank you
of
so much.
the tough times you are in. I just wanted to show that even if you are locked up, you can still enjoy fun. You can have fun.
Great.
Because you don't need expensive vacations and expensive food and expensive clothes. So God has been kind enough to us to give us the ability to be happy with very little and also happy with a wide variety of things. I can list at least 1,000 things that can make each of us happy, and there are probably many more. So there's plenty of choice. So आप enjoy कीजिए, मजा कीजिए, मस्ती कीजिए. Thank you for joining us in Pati Patni and Lockdown. Have a great day.
Thank you.
Thanks again.
Bye.
All right.